What if I told you AI was born way back in 1956? Before the internet, smartphones, or maybe even your parents. For the next few minutes, I'm going to blow your mind with some of the wildest, most unbelievable facts about AI you've never heard. You think you know AI because you've used ChatGPT, but you have no idea how deep this rabbit hole goes. Here are 10 Tell Me Why facts that will change the way you think about artificial intelligence. Let's start with a shocker. AI isn't new. The term artificial intelligence was coined in 1956 at the Dartmouth Conference. Imagine a group of geniuses like John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky spending a summer trying to build a machine that could think. Their goal? Create a machine that could use language, form concepts, and solve problems, just like a human. They thought they'd crack intelligence in a few months. Spoiler, it was way harder. Progress was slow, with periods called AI winters when funding dried up. But the dream survived, and every time you use Siri or see a Netflix recommendation, you're seeing the legacy of that summer. AI isn't a sudden revolution. It's a slow evolution, decades in the making. Next time someone says AI is brand new, you'll know better. We're living in the world those pioneers imagined. Chess was once the ultimate test of human intellect, until 1997. Garry Kasparov, the world's best chess player, faced off against IBM's Deep Blue, a supercomputer built just to beat him. Deep Blue could calculate 200 million chess positions per second. Their rematch was watched by millions. In the final game, Deep Blue crushed Kasparov in just 19 moves. The world was stunned. For the first time, a machine had outsmarted a human genius at chess. This wasn't just about a game, it was proof that AI could surpass us in fields we thought were uniquely human. Today, any chess app on your phone can beat grandmasters. Deep Blue's victory marked a turning point. The line between human and machine intelligence started to blur. It was a wake-up call. The future was here. Now, AI dominates games, strategy, and so much more. The age of machine intelligence had begun. Think art is only for humans? In 2018, a painting created by an AI sold for $432,500 at Christie's. The artwork, Edmond de Bellamy, looked like a classic portrait, but the signature was a mathematical formula. A Paris art collective called Obvious used a GN, generative adversarial network, trained on 15,000 portraits to create it. The painting was expected to fetch $10,000 at most. The bidding soared past $400,000. This sale shocked the art world and sparked a debate. Can AI be creative? Is it the artist or just a tool? Regardless, AI proved it could create something valuable and original. The lines between artist and algorithm blurred forever. Now AI is composing music, writing poetry, and even making movies. The creative revolution isn't just coming, it's already here. What will AI create next? Remember when chatbots were just punchlines, awkward, robotic, and barely useful? Everything changed in late 2022 when ChatGPT burst onto the scene. Suddenly, AI could whip up essays, craft poetry, write code, and offer advice that felt uncannily human. ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, rocketed to 1 million users in just 5 days, blowing past even Instagram's record. Need a rap battle, debugging help, a dream vacation plan? ChatGPT could do it all, instantly. The magic behind it? A colossal language model trained on mountains of internet text. It doesn't think like we do, but its word predictions are so spot on, it feels like you're chatting with a real person. ChatGPT flung open the doors to AI for everyone, igniting fierce debates about the future of work, creativity, and learning. Sure, it's not flawless, it slips up sometimes, but it's a jaw-dropping leap forward. Now anyone, kids, seniors, entrepreneurs, can harness the power of AI. It's not just for techies anymore. The race to build smarter AI is on, and the world as we know it is changing, fast. And here's the wildest part. We're just getting started. So what mind-blowing breakthrough will come next? The future is wide open. What happens when AI becomes smarter than us in every way? That's the singularity, a moment when AI's growth becomes uncontrollable and changes civilization forever. The idea, a superintelligent AI could design even smarter AIs, creating an intelligence explosion. Imagine an AI as far beyond us as we are beyond ants. The fear isn't evil robots, it's that their goals might be totally alien to ours. Futurist Ray Kurzweil predicts the singularity could happen by 2045, within many of our lifetimes. Can we control something vastly smarter than us? Should we even try? The singularity is both the ultimate promise and the greatest risk of AI. It's a future we can't ignore. Did you know AI isn't just living in your phone, it's actually driving cars on real roads right now? That's right, your next ride might just have a robot chauffeur. Self-driving cars are powered by a high-tech orchestra of AI systems, sensors, and neural networks, all working together to see and react to the world, faster than any human ever could. These cars have been trained on millions of miles of real and simulated data. They can spot everything from a jaywalking pedestrian to a sneaky stop sign hiding behind a tree. AI takes the wheel, literally, controlling steering, braking, and acceleration with superhuman precision. No more white-knuckle rides with distracted drivers. And here's the kicker. AI never gets tired, never texts while driving, and never needs a coffee break. In cities like San Francisco and Phoenix, you can already hail a driverless taxi from companies like Waymo and Cruise. It's like summoning a car from the future. No DeLorean required. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Experts say self-driving tech could save millions of lives by eliminating human error, the #1 cause of car accidents. The future of transportation is already rolling down the highway, and AI is firmly in the driver's seat. So next time you spot a car with spinning sensors on the roof, give it a wave. You're looking at tomorrow's technology today. Can AI write a story? In 2016, filmmakers challenged an AI named Benjamin to write a sci-fi movie script. The result was Sunspring, a bizarre, poetic, and strangely compelling short film. Benjamin was trained on classic sci-fi scripts, then generated its own. The dialogue was weird, the stage direction surreal, but actors brought it to life. The film went viral, leaving audiences laughing and scratching their heads. It wasn't a traditional script, but it was undeniably creative. AI showed it could generate ideas and combinations no human would think of. The wall between human and machine creativity cracked a little more. Even storytelling isn't just for humans anymore. What's next? An AI blockbuster? Imagine this. Your face and voice stolen by AI and used in ways you never dreamed possible. Welcome to the chilling world of deepfakes. AI can now generate fake videos and audio so convincing even experts can be fooled. In 2023, a CEO was tricked by a deepfake voice into wiring $243,000 to scammers. He thought he was talking to his boss. Using powerful GANs, AI can clone anyone's face or voice with just a few seconds of footage or audio. Your likeness can be replicated, manipulated, and unleashed online without your consent. We've seen viral deepfakes of celebrities confessing to crimes, politicians announcing fake policies, and even loved ones calling for help. None of it real. The risks are staggering: blackmail, identity theft, fake news, and political sabotage. In one case, a deepfake was used to frame an innocent person for a crime. Governments worldwide are scrambling to respond. New laws are being drafted, but the technology is evolving faster than the rules. The line between real and fake is blurring. Can you trust what you see or hear online anymore? As deepfakes get smarter, so do the tools to detect them. But it's a high-stakes cat-and-mouse game, and the stakes are your privacy and reputation. AI is a double-edged sword, capable of amazing creativity, but also terrifying deception. The rise of deepfakes is a blaring siren for digital ethics. Guard your privacy, because in the age of AI, your face and voice are no longer yours alone. Ever get the feeling your smart speaker is always listening? Well, you're not wrong. Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant are quietly tuned in, waiting for your next command. These digital assistants use cutting-edge AI to catch your voice, decode your requests, and reply in a flash. The moment you say the magic word, your device records and beams your question to powerful AI in the cloud, sometimes thousands of miles away. Natural language processing kicks in, figuring out exactly what you want, and text-to-speech tech delivers a reply that sounds almost human. All of this happens in less than a second, faster than the blink of an eye. Here's a wild fact. Your smart speaker is always learning, getting smarter with every command you give. They might seem friendly and helpful, but they're also the gateway to a vast, invisible AI network. So next time you ask for the weather, pause and wonder, who or what is really listening on the other side? Ever wonder what GPT stands for in ChatGPT? It's the secret sauce behind today's AI revolution. GPT means Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Generative means it creates new content, text, images, code. Pre-trained means it's already learned from billions of words before you even use it. Transformer is a special neural network that understands context and relationships in language. This combo lets GPT generate long, coherent, and creative responses. It's not magic, just massive data, smart design, and huge computing power. That's the formula that changed the world. Now you know the secret behind the AI shaping our future. The next time you chat with AI, you'll know what's under the hood. There you have it. 10 facts that prove AI is older, crazier, and more advanced than you thought. From its secret birth to writing movies and driving cars, AI is everywhere. The future isn't coming. It's already here, powered by AI. Which fact blew your mind? Let me know in the comments. If you want more mind-blowing stories, hit subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. The AI revolution is just beginning.